So now we're going to create an assembly. We're going to assemble the parts from our picture frame. So we go to assembly at the bottom, this tab, and then we insert. We want to insert. Let's click on those. And tick. And then we just need to join them together. So we click on this fastening right here, and we get this funny little disc, and we need the disc to face like that. And then we're going to zoom out, and we need to put the middle on. Now, to put the middle on, we need to flip that over. Whoops, flip that over using the right mouse button. So we're on the back of that. It helps if we zoom in, and we click like that. They should be fastened together. We can spin that over. There. Zoom out again. Pan, we're pressing down on the scroll wheel to pan. We're going to do exactly the same thing again. We're going to fasten. There we go. Same place. And spin that over. Same again. And oops. There we go. We can put that into front. And that's us, we're done. Okay, and if we want to look at that in an isometric, we can see all three pieces. And finally, we can just rename that. Picture frame or photo frame. Okay, so we are done. Easy peasy.